last year we have a very good performance, even though there were some breakdowns. I was in this vessel for almost a year, because I just joined here last February, that is early February, and that was during the last management.
Hindi pa,
Hopefully, this coming year, 2009, will be great, same as before. But there is threat, as I've said on the Christmas Eve. We are facing financial crisis, and every company, especially shipping business, is already affected. There's a news that one of our vessels will be sold again. This is the Windmill. But she was built 1979. She must go.
She must go.
Yes, she must go.
Curtain calls.
But there were so many. There were crew that should be displaced of their job. But it will be this coming March, going to sell the vessel. And I feel there were so many more to follow. Because recession is recession. You know, in the last 80s we had how many years? 6 consecutive years. You're applying for work. The chief cook has been sailing quite some time. The chief engineer, I think Bernie, and has been affected by that also during those days. It's very difficult. I'm second mate that time, and I am applying for third mate, 1 rank lower. Not even 1 rank. I apply for AB, I apply for OS, and I'm second mate. I was not able to get. I waited. That was 1982. I was able to get employed 1984. I waited 2 years. Because no hiring, because no ship. I don't know nowadays. And what will be the impact of this recession that we are facing now? Again, I'm going to reiterate further what will be our company's request. Again, tightening of our belts. What is tightening of our belts? We should be boxer. We should not practice karate because it is an open hand. What we can save, we must save. Just like I requested the KDGSM to forward the names of those who will going to relieve, especially the chief cook. Because if they're going to send us bad chief cook, maybe for 1 month, if it is bad, then
Air ticket.
you're going to get air ticket. We are consuming more than $10. Supposed to be, it's only $6.50. Our big tolling allowance. Now, due to this price adjustment, it's very expensive. And if he just going to dump the cooked food in the trash can, bad chief cook in our vessel. I asked Drapco, and in his time here in KGDS, he was, and they get some bad chief cook. The question is, did the captain do something to correct? I think not. And you're going to wait for the guys to finish the contract. For me, it will not going to happen. Before he reached the probationary time. That is the message for the time being. So I hope that it will not be longer, because our job is at stake. Maybe after we sign off here, we don't know if we can come back again. You see, there is no increase. Normally, by January, before January, they already sent to the vessel that this is the increase that we're going to implement. Maybe decrease, but it will not happen because it's double contract. Increase, maybe increase of job, increase of work. Our lady is getting old. Our lady is already 23 years old. Means old lady needs more makeup, more and more. Notification, plenty. And I hope that we can succeed to do that. We don't know if this all of this 85 will be disposed, but you see, 79 bills they're going to start. They have already started disposing of those old vessels, and they stop new buildings. They already stopped the new buildings. Let's hope for the best. It's coming in.
Year of the Ox.
What year is today?
Year of the Ox.
Year of the Ox.
Ox.
Ox. That is the message I'm going to. I just want to tell everybody. Advance Happy New Year to all of you. Thank you. Start baking again. After this, exactly by midnight, we can start